of rice and buy some things. And this is my scooter from Ate Angel Woodlands. Go, go, go! Thank you, Ate Angel, for giving me this scooter. Guys, so I leave my scooter here beside by the police. Then I will buy things for the experiment. Hello guys! Kumusta po? Guys, do you think we're gonna bake? No, we are gonna do experiment! Yay! The flour, water, and another water. And here is salt, baking soda, oil, food coloring, and here is my bottle. Here's my bottle. Or this is just here's my bottle. Okay guys, before we mix, I'm gonna wear my nut rival, but just pretend this one, because when it like explode, right, it will go very high, right? And then when it explodes, it will reach like this, you know? When it explodes really high, right? Like up to my eyes, right? So I should wear these. Okay. Now let's make. So we mix the whole ingredients. And the oil. Water. We. Okay. No. Whoa. This looks like milk, but you actually don't want to eat it. We mix using hands. We put the mixture right over there, around the bottle. Ready? Tick, boom, right, go!
Sound right, boys.
Oh guys, I forgot to tell that we have that we need the vinegar.
Yeah.
Put it there. Put it there. Yeah. It looks like a Christmas tree. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. Remove. What? It's so cool. Whoa. Right now. Okay, guys, now let's make a lava. So a food color goes in the water. Guys, what color you want food color if you make a lava? Everyone choose red, so it can be a lava. Guys, this is our experiment book. Little. Now we make. Alright. Hey guys, this is the things that we need for the lava. And we pour it to the volcano. First is the water, the liquid soap, baking soda, vinegar. Now I will back my mask. There it will explode. So ready, get for the volcano! Ready? Ready to explode?
Slowly, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, hey, Mommy, what have you been done?
Ayo.
Why is it still looking now? We put in the liquid soap. So,
Ayan.
no. It's hard. Now we put the vinegar. Wait. Oh! Oh! There's so much red. Oh! Oh! So cool. Okay guys, let's make it explode again. Let's make it explode. Yeah. Whoa! Whoa! Look at that, guys! It's the lava! Red lava! Okay, guys, I hope you enjoy the volcano experiment, and it looks like a little bit messy, and I'm gonna tell you why does it explode. Here, read this purple thing right here, the whole thing. Why? Mixing baking soda and vinegar makes a chemical reaction. All chemical reactions are about the making or destroying of bonds between atoms in which carbon dioxide gas is made. The same gas that bubbles in a real volcano. The gas bubbles build up in the bottle. They force the liquid lava mix up and over the mouth of your volcano. Baking soda and vinegar reacts and it explode like that. So I hope you enjoy my video called Volcano Experiment. And comment down below, is it hard to make or easy? So we'll see you in next video. Okay, that's it for this video. Smash that like button and God bless you all. Hit the bell and we'll see you next time. Bye guys, bye.